Staying sort of offshore of the Florida coast. They're getting some gusty winds, but the worst of the weather is east of that center. And the people in the Carolinas are going to be watching it very closely, as it's likely to make a landfall sometime, a little bit after midnight on Monday night, early Tuesday morning. Probably not too far from the South Carolina, North Carolina border near the Cape Fear area, places that are used to hurricanes there. Of course, this is a tropical storm. It's going to start moving pretty quickly as it goes through, the northern parts of North Carolina and across the Baltimore, Washington area, eventually even New York City, but it's moving quick. And that's sort of good news for them because they'll get gusty winds in the northeast and they'll get a lot of heavy rain, but if it moves quickly, it doesn't cause as much flooding as it could if it stays moving slowly. So right now winds are 70 miles per hour, so that means it's a pretty strong tropical storm, but most of those strongest winds are east of the center and offshore. Now, right now here in Middle Tennessee, pretty delightful. You know, I remember it was just a couple of weeks ago, we'd be at 10 o'clock at night, it would still be 80 degrees, and the dew point would be in the mid-70s. It would just be muggy and warm outside, even with the sun down. That's our Sarah Chevrolet Buick GMC camera looking at Gallatin Road there, and it's 73 comfortable degrees. Now, here's the front that's going to bring us some scattered showers and thunder showers tomorrow afternoon, but it's also going to give us a delightful cool down for the month of August, at least for several days this week before the heat returns. So let's take this picture from Storm Tracker into the future with Future Tracker, and we'll see the front sliding our way. Most of the showers that are along it die down overnight. Then you add the heat of the day as the front moves our way, and you see some showers and storms from lunchtime onward. It'll start to fire up across Middle Tennessee, but it'll be warm, 88 degrees for a high tomorrow. But then the scattered showers and storms fire up in the afternoon hours, and the front makes its way through here tomorrow evening, and some cooler temperatures drop in starting on Tuesday. You'll notice a big difference then. Now, even though it'll be behind the front, some upper level energy will still bring a few scattered showers around Tuesday, but our high temperature may never get above the low 80s on Tuesday. And we're talking about some 60s for lows, folks, and some of those 60s later this week might even be 50s on the plateau. 67 tonight, though, fair skies, patchy fog, that's nice enough this time of the year. And then tomorrow, 88 for the high, the scattered showers and thunder showers in the afternoon heat out ahead of that front. But once it comes through, we're going to call it 83 both Tuesday and Wednesday. As we say, a few scattered showers on Tuesday afternoon, even though you're behind the front. And then we drop back down to mid-60s for Wednesday and Thursday morning. That's mid-60s in the city. I would think that you'll be seeing low 60s north and east of town, and like I said, even some 50s up on the Cumberland Plateau. So let's break it all down for you with our Weather Authority 7-day forecast, stepping you through our first full week of August, and it doesn't look very August-like until the end of the week and next weekend. So 88 tomorrow, that's close to August-like, but that scattered thunder shower chance in the afternoon heat. And then the front gets through here tomorrow night, and we'll still have a few showers Tuesday afternoon, but only 83 for a high. There are those mid-60s, and might even be 50s in the plateau. 87 Thursday, but that's still pretty pleasant this time of the year. But you know, it's August, can't last too long. 90 on Friday, 91 to 92 Saturday and Sunday, and a few hit-or-miss style storms moving back in.
Well, thank you, Davis.